This is the Reynolds pen, possibly one of the most iconic writing instruments ever made. No matter where you are in the world, you have likely seen this pen in schools, offices, and homes. Its timeless design has reached every corner of the earth, and at some point in your life, you have almost certainly used one. Since its introduction, Reynolds pens have sold in billions, competing with the most successful writing tools in history. But amazingly, the design has remained the same for decades, proving just how effective and reliable it is. Even today, millions of Reynolds pens are sold every single day, continuing to make their mark on the world. But what made this pen so successful? We analyzed every single detail to uncover the brilliant story behind this brand and how its intelligent design made it one of the most successful writing tools in history. To truly appreciate its impact, we need to go back in time. Before Reynolds, the writing tools were very expensive and difficult to use. Traditional quills were messy and required constant dipping in the ink, making writing more of an art form and only for those who could afford the materials and learn the technique. Then came the fountain pen, which stored ink inside a tank and fed it through a metallic nib. While this was an improvement, it still had some major flaws. The ink flow was inconsistent, the nib was scratchy, and the pens were very expensive, equivalent to Rs 12,000 in today's time. At that time, the literacy rates were low and the writing tools were not that widely used. But then came the breakthrough, the ballpoint pen. American inventor John Loud was the first to design a pen that used a small rolling ball in its tip to distribute the ink evenly. While this worked well on rough surfaces, but it was too harsh to write on paper. And eventually, his designs never gained popularity. For decades, inventors tried to perfect the ballpoint mechanism, but they faced a fundamental challenge. If the ball was too tight, the ink would not flow. If it was too loose, the ink would leak everywhere. And getting the right balance was nearly impossible for the manufacturing of that time. Then came Laszlo Birol, the man who finally unlocked the potential of the ballpoint pen. He realized that the key wasn't just the design of the pen, but also the ink that was used. Most of the pens at that time used thin water-based ink, which was very prone to leaking, bleeding, and smudging through the paper. Birol experimented with oil-based ink, which was thicker and dried instantly and sat on top of the paper instead of soaking in. This discovery led to a major breakthrough: capillary action. Capillary action is the same process that allows water to climb up tree roots and nutrients to move through human bodies. In Birol's pen, this effect allowed the ink to flow smoothly through the pen tip without the need for gravity. His invention changed the game, and his pens became very popular in South America. However, there was one major problem. His pens were very expensive, costing an equivalent of 16,000 rupees today. Milton Reynolds, an American entrepreneur, saw the potential in Birol's design and hence wanted to make it more affordable and accessible to the masses. In 1945, he introduced the Reynolds Rocket, the first commercially successful ballpoint pen in the United States. His approach was different. Rather than focusing on making the most advanced pen, he focused on mass production and marketing. He used industrial-grade manufacturing to make the pens quickly and at scale, without sacrificing the quality. The Reynolds pen had a sleek and durable metal body that made it feel premium yet affordable. It used a pressurized ink cartridge, allowing it to write at any angle, even upside down. This was a huge selling point and had a major advantage over other pens at that time. Reynolds understood the power of marketing and went aggressively on it, positioning his pens as the future of writing tools. The first batch of the pens sold within hours, and Reynolds became a household name. The pens were not just functional, they were revolutionary. However, as the success of ballpoint pens grew, Reynolds faced another competition from a major player, Bic. Marcel Bic had perfected Biro's design, creating the Bic Cristal, a simple, mass-produced pen that was reliable and cheaper than anything else before it. Marcel Bic had perfected Biro's design, creating the Bic Cristal, a simple, mass-produced pen that was much reliable and cheaper than anything before it. Seeing the overwhelming success of Bic, Reynolds decided to take inspiration from its competitor and introduced a nearly identical design. Reynolds adopted the hexagonal barrel, transparent plastic body, and small vent holes to match Bic's features. This move allowed Reynolds to stay relevant in the competitive market, but also strengthened Bic's position as the true innovator of the modern ballpoint pen. Over the years, Reynolds continued to innovate, introducing new designs, colors, and ink formulas. Their pens became a staple in school, businesses, and homes around the world. By making writing easy, smooth, and affordable, Reynolds pens increased literacy rates over the world while making writing accessible to millions. Today, Reynolds pens are used by people of all ages, from students to professionals. But the design remains largely unchanged, proving that simplicity is the ultimate form of perfection. From the first ballpoint pen to the iconic models that we know today, Reynolds has created one of the greatest writing tools in the history.